I think the most important way is the way it harvests the rain, and it really uses the possibility to create a very good, livable, low-cost housing unit that can be varied in a lot of different ways. They've explored a simple typology and made something quite unique out of it.
Project in Wienerberger, Rwanda, was about constructing a prototypical village house for the rural lands, low cost, affordable, design that would fit the climate and also the way of life of villagers, but also help in the larger objective of modernizing village life. We collaborated with a consulting firm called SCAT, the Rwanda Housing Authority, and Strawtech. And the setup was that SCAT, the consulting company, hires or kind of brings to the site mason builders that would train villagers in the construction techniques. And by building this house and then others, the villagers would contribute, would kind of work towards that. So in a way, they are, building the house for their future neighbors. So there's an involvement. I mean, they earn money from the work they do, but more than that, it's a real process of community building. And this was key to the project. The power of the brick is that anyone can hold a brick. Everyone can participate. It's the size of the hand, Laying a brick is a very fundamental thing. Now, you see others do it, you learn. So it was really this ideal, very fundamental, let's say, element that brings people together. So one of the ideas is, and this is where we used Strawtech panels, is that you would have flexibility in how many rooms you would like. So in a way, the concept behind the design is that the architect builds the framework, and then the residents, the tenants of the house, could divide the rooms as they see fit. When a design gets built, it really gives it life. So you're really creating something that has meaning on so many levels, but needs to be out there to live.